Thank you for coming, everybody. My name is Willie, and I am a member of the Party for Socialism and Liberation. Minnesota called, and you answered. Ice out, 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 ice out.
People are still being told to be patient, to obey, to wait, to allow this to continue. But today, in Portland and all across the state of Maine, we say we reject this notion.
No hate, no fear, immigrants are welcome here.
No hate, no fear, immigrants are welcome here.
No hate, no fear, immigrants are welcome here. No hate.
Your voice, Portland!
Calling for ICE out in Maine is a call for humanity. It is a call for dignity. It is a call for our state to stand up and say we will not trade our values for fear.
Immigrants are welcome here.
No fear,
Immigrants are welcome here.
no fear.
Immigrants are welcome here.